Hi people, hi everyone, and today I am here at my channel. So it's a fashion illustration channel, and people are asking me some questions, and I am here to answer that questions. So पहले तो जो पूछते हैं वो ये पूछते हैं भी मैं कौन सा मीडियम यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So I'm using Procreate. It's a one-time purchase app. I have purchased 900 rupees, and it's a one-time purchase, and it's for lifetime with me. And ये Procreate जो ऐप है ये है अवेलेबल एप्पल प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए, एंड्रॉयड के लिए नहीं है. सो एंड्रॉयड में और भी सारी ऐप्स होती हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू दैट, सो वी कैन मैनेज इट विद दैट टू. So basically, what I have purchased is Procreate. That's it. And we also asked about ये जो iPad है एप्पल प्रोडक्ट के लिए ही है, तो मैं iPad यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई पेंसिल यूज़ कर रही हूँ बनाने के लिए. सो इसमें ज़्यादा आपको प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है. दैट्स इट. नॉलेज मतलब इतना ज़्यादा आपको अगर पेपर पे बनाना आता है यू कैन मेक इट ऑन इट. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू विद द पेंसिल. इतना कोई ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट ऐप नहीं है टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके. एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड कि हमें कौन सा iPad लेना चाहिए. सो जिस दिन मैंने किसी से पूछा था तो उसने मुझे कहा था 70,000 का आपको पड़ेगा या 80,000 के अराउंड आपको पड़ेगा. तो मुझे इतना महंगा यूज़ नहीं करना था एंड आई वॉज नॉट रेडी फॉर इट, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कि मुझे इसमें एकदम से मैं बना पाऊँगी या नहीं बना पाऊँगी. सो what I have done it, I asked my brother and he suggested me the lower one, that is a generation iPad. So I have a 9th generation iPad and that costed me 30,000 around, 28 or 30,000 around it was. I purchased in 2022 and now still I am having the same one because I understood that this is the same app, we don't need to spend so much. And I have a Apple Pencil I purchased and that costed me 7,000 to 8,000 I would say. Yes, and I bought that local. My Apple Pencil was local, my iPad was online. So this is all about it. This is all I invested for my digital work. And what else? These are the two basic things I asked about. That's it. So you guys can invest little. If you have a phone, even you can start it with the phone. I mean, we in India and everywhere we have Apple phones more than iPads and MacBooks, so we can use it on a phone even. It's a little thing about my work. I am okay. We are talking about my work now. I am basically doing a back pose and hair illustrations because that worked for me, and I seen it that I am getting the more viewers, more likes, and sometimes comments on these back pose. I started in 2022, and that I have made many kind of illustrations, poses, dresses, front poses, dresses, and many things. So now I'm fixed to like back pose, and I have created more than 500 illustrations with one single template. I am not making the template now, I am just draping it, and the hair I'm changing hairs and dress on the same template, and I don't need to work too much about it, that I have to create a cookie first and then have to drape it. But that's a very easy thing what I am getting for my daily posts. So this is all about. Thank you so much for signing it, for listening to me, and like, share, subscribe for the tutorials, I would say, because I'm not making the voice background with video because I wanted my channel to grow at least 50k or 1 lakh before that. So for that for that we need to share this videos, and we need to get some more likes and more comments. So I am actually going to give free tutorials on how to get this all. And yes, I had a very good experience in it. I taught in it. I taught in NFT as a fashion illustrator lecturer,